What's up YouTube, it's time to talk about the new device which is going to be launched in coming days, and it's the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. It has been in a limelight over the past few weeks due to constant leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. The device is going to be launched soon, and just ahead of the launch, Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite specification has been leaked in Germany. The smartphone, as the name suggests, is positioned as the successor to the previous variant, and it will be cheaper than Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. According to the leaks, S10 Lite will be unveiled officially in coming days. So if we look at the design and display of the device, well, design-wise, the smartphone is expected to come with an element similar to its older sibling, just like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 from the front side. And also, if we see the design pattern of Samsung right now, the Samsung Galaxy A51 and A71 both launch with the same design, and same design is going to be seen on 2020 model as well, which are going to launch in next year. So display wise, if we talk about the display of Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display will be included inside this device, which is coming with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixel. The aspect ratio of this device is of 20 by 9 aspect ratio, and it is available in 3 different colors. Under the hood, we will see an in-display fingerprint scanner as well on front of the device. Next, we talk about the camera sensor which are present inside the device. The punch hole display is holding a 32 megapixel of selfie camera on front of the device, which can take a good quality pictures. The back of the device where the fun begins, and here we see a square shaped camera bump on the back side of the device. It is holding a triple camera sensor on the back side. The main camera is a 48 megapixel primary shooter, 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel of macro lens, which can take an image really close to the subject. In terms of processor, we will see Snapdragon 855 octa-core processor will be present inside this Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and globally this phone will be available in same processor. Previously, if we look at the Samsung Galaxy S10 series, Exynos chipset has also been introduced in some regions. Now this time Samsung has decided to implement the Snapdragon 855 processor in all the regions. In terms of storage, we will see only one variant which is coming inside this device, and it will be of 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and it has also have a support for micro SD card for up to 1TB capacity. Software wise, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite is coming with Android 10 out of the box, which will be available on One UI 2.0 skin. Next, we talk about the battery of this device. The battery which is coming inside the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite will be 4500 mAh, and it is coming alongside with a 45 watt of fast charging support inside the box, which is a great thing from Samsung by providing a 45 watt of fast charging brick inside the box, and it will be a nice deal. Last thing, we'll talk about the price of this device, and it is being rumored over the internet that the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite is coming with 680 euros approximately. So overall, if we look at this device is a flagship killer, you can say, and it will be a last device which we are expecting from Samsung to be launched in this year, and this design is from the next year models which will be available to the Samsung family. So overall, if we look at this device is performing really great, and it has all the specification of a flagship level device. So that's all in this video. So guys, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button as well. I will meet you in the next exciting video. Peace out.